Hey folks, how you doing? This is Mahesh. And today I got myself one of these Mandarin duck Black Hunter Recurve bows. So let's check it out. This is the Black Hunter Mark II, and I got the 50-pound raw weight. They go for $150 on the Mandarin duck site. The limbs are made of laminated wood and fiberglass. This is the string. And this is a leather arrow rest according to the site, but can be also used as anti-vibration padding. The riser is gorgeous, a work of art. This is everything in the backs. One of the limbs had some marks on it, but they went away with some rubbing. Attach the limbs here and use the provided hex key to tighten them. The string has two loops, one smaller, other bigger. Before attaching, I twisted the string on both ends so as to increase the brace height of the bow. The bow is very light. I got the brace height up to 7.5 inches. I cut the stick in half and place it under the string here so as to minimize noise when firing the bow. And it's done. It looks really good. Let's find out if it shoots as good as it looks. Damn, very first shot with no tuning or bow sights or anything. And it's a bullseye. This is a really nice bow. Build quality is excellent and it feels so good in the hands. Even the quality of the string is better than I expected. And it's fairly silent when shooting. And best of all, it's dead accurate straight out of the box. So for just $150, it's a steal. Use the link in the description and get one yourself. Thanks for watching. See you later.